Holy. What are you doing?
Oh, the face mask.
You just scared the... I think I pooped a little bit.
I'm so sorry, Shane. I didn't realize this would scare you.
I thought like your face is melted off or something.
I don't really know what the problem is.
I see you've abandoned your cleaning of the house.
Well, it's video editing time. I thought I would take advantage of the face mask. I have to leave it on for 20 minutes. It's coming off because I keep smiling.
Can I do one?
Yeah, I have another one if you want one.
Oh, you only have one more?
I got them like as a gift. You can have them. You can have one.
What do they do?
It's just a relaxing lavender sheet mask.
Oh yeah, I need that, I think.
I'm supposed to wash and dry your face before.
Nah.
Shane,
I don't feel like doing that right now. Later, tonight.
Okay.
Hello, welcome to the show. It's time to talk about our lives.
Nope. Really?
What? I'm closer. It's our first full day of quarantine. I have not seen the light in over 20, probably about 18 hours. My eyes are shriveling.
Like a mole?
I smell grilled cheese. I remember grilled
Shane.
cheese from before the virus.
Okay. Yes, we're having tomato soup and grilled cheese. It's Shane's favorite, probably.
Quarantine is so boring.
Oh my god, this is fun. We're having grilled cheese, and we get to use this garlic kraut mustard.
Yeah,
Are you excited?
I smelled it. I smelled it with my eyes shriveled. I smelled it with my eyes open.
Okay.
It smells amazing.
So excited. We didn't have a lot of food in the house, and my mom went to the grocery store for us to get all of it. Why is my hair doing this? But we didn't really trust that the grocery store containers were clean. So when they came in, we disinfected every single can, every package.
Everything. The outside
Everything.
of everything. You were wiping down mangoes.
I was I disinfected the mangoes and then I like rinsed off the disinfectant, but
I hope it doesn't seep through the...
oh, it's not, it's like safe wipes. We couldn't find any wipes at the store, but my mom happened to have some in, like they're not gonna kill you. They're for like wiping down your counters.
What will they do? Corona?
Yeah, it says it on there. Well, it doesn't list corona, but it says kills cold and flu virus, staph, E. coli, salmonella, strep, and MRSA.
I mean, staff is always a fear of living with you.
We got distracted by filming, almost burnt our grilled cheese.
Save the day though, right
I
in
know,
time.
it's fine, it's good.
Well, Anna and I have nothing else to do during our self-imposed quarantine, so I'm practicing my sitting.
Yep.
I think I'm doing wonderfully.
Nailed it.
The pillow is really helping. I'm not really sitting unassisted. I'm leaning all my weight on my arm.
But it's comfy.
I am upright and I'm not in my chair, so
Yep.
that's neat.
Yep.
We're couch buddies.
As far apart as possible, though.
Is that what you're learning in Pilates?
Nope.
What is that? Are you about to fight me?
I'm doing yoga.
How do you look like you're prepared to battle?
This is called something.
Wandering airplane.
Warrior pose. So I nailed it. You said, am I gonna fight you? I really nailed it.
Hannah made a schedule this morning for her day. Right now, the item that's passing is clean the house, and she's doing warrior pose.
This is part of it, Shane. This is how I have to begin. Do you see the mess on this table? I'm about to conquer it. But I can't do that until I'm ready.
Well, how flexible you are.
I'm quite flexible.
Can you make your foot
I'm
touch the
extraordinarily sore from
ceiling? Can you make
Pilates.
your foot touch the ceiling?
Nope. I'll be like those girls you saw Walking on the street. I'm so sore. Holy crap. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. I guess I have to begin now. I ran out of stretches to do. We're trying to wash Shane's hands more for sickness prevention purposes, and we thought we would show you how we do it. So Shane can't really pull up to a sink. We don't have accessible sinks in our house, so we use normally like a big mixing bowl, but all of those are in the dishwasher and it's on, so we're using a pot.
Yeah. And since, like, you know, we're in quarantine and conservation of resources is very important, instead of dumping this water out, we use it for the pasta or the rice that we make tonight. It adds flavor. I know that sounds weird, but just a little protein for your meal. And it's added calories, added just flavor, really. And I'm just trying so hard not to laugh.
I hope you can't hear me laughing.
You were like holding your breath.
I was looking away.
I was trying so hard not to laugh. I was like not looking at you.
Shane was joking to everyone who was inevitably going to go down and be like, that is
No,
totally
Shane,
defeating the purpose. Don't drink that. So I'll just help him rub his hands around in the water, the nice soapy water.
Mm-hmm. And then we refill it with clean water.
Yep.
And rinse.
Yep.
And then we get rid of all the water.
People are going to be like, you should really conserve that water.
Honestly, if we put it through our water filter after,
Ew. Oh my god, Shane.
it would string out all the...
That is disgusting. Part of our quarantine is not going to my parents' house, at least for Shane, but my mom made corned beef and cabbage for dinner, and we love that, so I'm here to pick it up. Shane's not here. My mom's gonna like hand it to me and then I'm just gonna leave. We're not eating here or anything. We have to stay 6 feet apart from each other. Mm-hmm. No one touched me. I know. Cabbage. Potatoes.
Bella, we can touch. We can touch. Hi. Yes, we can. Did you miss me?
She's like, nope. Shane requested lots of cabbage and potatoes, Mom. Extra of whatever you were gonna give him.
Don't worry, Shane.
There it is, Shane. Are you excited?
Thank you, Liz.
I washed my hands like 8 times while I was there, didn't touch any surfaces. Went outside, Purelled, touched my car door handle, Purelled inside the car, drove home, washed my hands. Then
I went to the
took that out, yeah, Shane peed, took that out of the bag, washed my hands again twice because Shane peed, then I took that out of the bag. My hands are dry, but I think we're clean.
We are doing them wonderfully.
We are. We're doing our best. I mean, we can't. That's about it. I brought home some groceries that my mom got us.
We're doing the best we can.
Yep, we are. Good morning.
Hi, sleepy baby.
It's dark out today. We couldn't really wake up. It's a gloomy day.
The virus is amongst us.
I know. What is this, like day 5 of quarantine?
Yeah.
Yeah. We found that it's very easy to become lethargic and feel like you're not getting anything done. So we've written out a schedule for our day.
Yes.
This is the first hour of the day. From 9 to 10, I am going to clean.
I'm going to answer emails.
Yeah, answer emails. So I will be tidying up our house because it feels terrible when your house is messy. So
Yeah.
let's begin.
Chloe's job is to lay on the couch.
No, it's to watch for squirrels. Make sure no squirrels get near our house.
No, Chloe.
Oh, you're abandoning your post already, Chloe. Our plan has been derailed so far. I've gotten a nosebleed, so now I can't begin my day, and our day is scheduled pretty tightly, so I don't really know what we're gonna do.
Every day she finds a reason not to clean. Oh, I have a nosebleed.
This air is so dry. I get nosebleeds like every day.
Yeah, you really do.
Poor me.
Probably have that looked at.
I know. It's stopping. I'm fine now. I'll begin. What time is it? Is it too late? Am I 10 minutes into the
It's
hour?
time for dinner. Hannah and I are preparing our very odd breakfasts. Yours is more normal than mine.
Yeah.
I'm having mashed turnips that Liz, Hannah's mom, you all know who Liz is.
Well,
I don't know why I qualified that.
yeah.
Hannah's mom made me, turnips
As a special treat.
as a special survival treat. I put garlic and Parmesan cheese in them.
I'm making corned beef hash, and someone really wishes it was in her food bowl.
All morning we've been like reading headlines about the spread, if you will. And it's terrifying. Like, I'm finding myself completely unable to focus on anything, really, because I'm just like worried with my lungs being as weak as they are. I'm thinking about all the people with like SMA and other, similar diseases that like can't fight a lung infection. I'm like, am I going to be stuck in my house for a year?
Yeah.
Chloe, no, she wants the burger.
Chloe, good girl. I know. I'm so sorry.